PT Tri Mega Baterindo is an automotive and motorcycle battery manufacturer. Since 1962, our company, which initially only produced battery plates, established by Mr. Muhammad Thoyib with the name Ude Mohto. Then in 1999, Ude Mohto changed become PT Tri Mega Baterindo and our installed capacity is 180,000 batteries per month. PT Tri Mega Baterindo located in a very strategic place because nearby Juanda International Airport Sidoarjo and Tanjung Perak Harbor Surabaya. As an outstanding battery manufacturer, we produce our product with modern technique and support by advanced technology automatic machine. PT Tri Mega Baterindo's vision is to become a world-class automotive and motorcycle battery manufacturer. We also have mission: provide customer satisfaction and service innovation, produce good quality product with competitive price, attract and retain talented and dedicated employees. We also have some laboratory to control and keep our products' quality to fit our company standards. Our products divided into any types and brands. As a company which promote quality, we achieve any certification, both from products quality, management, and etc. With those qualifications, our products have trust and spread in 5 continents and more than 50 countries. Tri Mega Baterindo. Improvement never ends.